Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Shelly Cashman Excel 365 2021 Module 2 SAM Project 1A assignment. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. File Setup. Start by saving the file. Make sure to enter your name in cell B6 of the documentation worksheet. Step 2. Bin List Worksheet. Rename the Bin tab to Bin List, bottom align cell C3. Apply blue-gray, accent 3 borders to A1, format B15 with short date, and add warehouse bins to the header and page layout view.
Step 3. Inventory List Worksheet. Format A1 with Calibri Light, 20 PT Indigo Text 2 Bold, Merge and Center. Autofit B, set F width to 900, wrap text in F4. Highlight and delete duplicates in A5, count a formula in B3 for B5. Aqua to A2, format A3 as dollar amount, 2 decimals. Accent 3 to A4 and E16. Accounting to G5, data bars to H5, highlight reorder in I5, enter formulas in G16, average, G17, min, G18, max for G5. Step 4, final touches. Check spelling. Change the inventory list tab color to blue-gray. Accent 3. Step 5. Save and submit. Save, close, and submit the workbook.
If you need our help, we provide 2 types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 7309655268, or log into our website helpandhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.